How to fix the issue where your Samsung TV is slow to respond to the remote. So if you're trying to press the buttons on your TV remote and you're getting some kind of delay, maybe you're trying to press the power button and there's a 5 to 10 second delay, or if you're just trying to use any of the settings in general and it's slow to respond, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and fix this issue. Now, the first thing we need to do is go and grab your TV remote, and we're just going to come round to the back, and then you can go and remove the battery case like so. We're then going to remove the batteries from the back of the TV remote, and once you've removed the batteries, you can then come around to the front, and we're simply going to hold down the power button for around about 30 seconds. Now, once you've held this button down for 30 seconds, we're then going to go through all of the buttons, pressing down each of them individually. Now, sometimes what might happen is you may get dust or debris that kind of builds up around the individual buttons, and sometimes you may have like one button that's stuck and it's causing this lag on your TV remote. So we're just going to go through all of the buttons by pressing them down quite firmly. You can even do this with two hands, and we're just going to do this a few times by pressing down each of the buttons. So you can kind of go up and down here, making sure to get each and every one of these buttons. You can also kind of wiggle them around just to make sure there's nothing stuck between these. You can then give the remote a couple of taps at the top, also a couple of taps at the bottom as well. And once you've done that, we're going to reinsert the batteries to the remote control. You can then try pressing the buttons once again and checking if that solves the issue. Now, if it's not working the first time, I'd recommend going through all of these steps again. In 99% of scenarios, it's just a case of having something stuck in your TV buttons. So just go and try this a few times. There shouldn't be any delay between pressing a button and your TV response. So you should be able to press a button and it should appear straight away on the TV. Now, if it's still not working, you may need to replace the batteries as well. Obviously, if your batteries are low on charge, this can also cause the slow responsiveness. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.